WatHer project is an Interreg Euro-MED project concerning traditional irrigation systems that are our past and can become our future. In fact, they can provide a great solution for mitigating climate change, so our current problem. The aim of this project is to define the benefit, hydrological, ecological and sociocultural benefit of the traditional irrigation system and gather communities to improve the recovery and understand the values of this irrigation system. So they are not only something belonging to the past, but they can provide knowledge for our present society.